11:54. After 12 years, the national organization helping college students with diabetes is expanding and rebranding. Not only college students, but young adults and workers.
A name change to the Diabetes Link is an effort to serve more young people.
There are many young adults with diabetes who don't know another adult with diabetes, and calling it Diabetes Link includes all of the people who actually need to know about it.
Dr. Ann Peters is an endocrinologist and professor of medicine at the Keck School of Medicine. She explains the benefits to KNX.
It offers all sorts of advice. It offers connection. It offers a sense that someone's not so alone managing their diabetes.
Currently, there are 3 million young adults living with diabetes in the U.S. Rob Archer, KNX News, 7.1 FM.
Georgia has one of the most competitive Senate races, which could determine who controls Congress next year. More on that story coming up in 5 minutes. Top of the hour at midnight. But right now, it is 11:55. Traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the 5s and Loose Hours.
Start off in Pasadena. This is on the 210 West in Windsor. A 2-car crash reported there and working. And in Pasadena on the 110 South at York Boulevard, there's a car to the right shoulder wall, and that is blocking the right lane. In Long Beach on the 91 West at the South 710 connector, that is a multi-vehicle injury crash, and an SUV is on its roof there. And let's go to Commerce now, 5 south of Slauson. Look out for a ladder that's yet to be picked up in the right lane. And we still have that slowing on the southbound side of the 5 in Atwater Village along Griffith Park there. Also seeing some slowing on Crystal Springs Drive into Park. So something's going on there, maybe some activity. And in Riverside on the 215 North, this is after University Parkway. 2 cars and a big rig tangled up in their lanes. Next report coming up at 12:05 in the Irvine Auto Center 24-hour traffic center.
Say a few temperatures for you. Right now we are looking at city of San Fernando, where it's 59 degrees, 66 in Woodland Hills, and currently in Anaheim it's 62 degrees at 11:57.
If you own a business, this has been a bumpy ride. From pandemic to inflation, I'm sure you could use a break. If your business has 5 or more employees and survived COVID, you might be eligible to receive a payroll tax refund of up to $26,000 per employee. The challenge is getting your hands on it. Hi, I'm Howard Mackler, and that's why I founded GetRefunds.com to cut through the red tape and get you the money. The team of tax attorneys we have put together are highly trained in this little-known payroll tax refund program. We do all the work, charge not a dime up front, and simply share a percentage of the cash that we get for you. Businesses of all types can qualify, including those that took PPP, nonprofits, and even those that had increases in sales. We have helped return over $1 billion to businesses, and we can help you too. Just go to getrefunds.com/news, click on Qualify Me, and answer a few questions. This payroll tax refund is only available for a limited period of time. Don't lose out on up to $26,000 per employee. Go to getrefunds.com/news. That's getrefunds.com/news.
Every year, we say, well, wake up earlier, exercise more, really rest, and eat healthier. It's hard for us, but for dogs, not so much. Dogs are up at dawn, run for fun, sleep like champs, and they love eating fresh, healthy food every single meal. Give your dog another healthy habit. Real fresh food from the Farmer's Dog. Get 50% off your first box at thefarmersdog.com/radio.
ELF is for every eye, lip, and face. Your originality is our inspiration. From full-on maximalist to fresh-faced minimalist, we have a product for everyone and every look in between. Featuring viral products like our Halo Glow Liquid Filter, Power Grip Primer, Glossy Lip Stain, and more. Check out the latest game-changing beauty trends that are filling up your social feed. We make the best of beauty accessible with high-quality products at Get Real prices. All 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Because looking good and feeling good, that's elfing amazing.
It's Joe Shasky with Morning Roast. And if you're an independent restaurateur or are trying a brand new business, then you gotta know about my friends at Trimark. Trimark, making independent restaurateurs' dreams come true in Northern California for over 55 years. Whether you're designing your next restaurant or you need equipment and supplies, this is where Trimark comes in. They do it all. And what's most important to them is being a partner to their business customers. Visit TrimarkWest.com. That's TrimarkWest.com.
59 from the GetRefunds.com studio. It's always live on the free Odyssey app.
This is KNX AM, FM, and HD Los Angeles. Angeles.
KNX News 97.1 FM.
All that matters to you in Southern California.
Top local story, season-ending loss for the Dodgers to the Padres at Petco. Protesters demanding the resignation of 2 city council members. And there's a spotlight now on the process of LA City Council redistricting. I'm Bob Rewarton. We have these stories after CBS News. It's KNX News 97.1 FM at midnight.
This is CBS News on the Hour, sponsored by Liberty Mutual Insurance. I'm Christopher Cruz in Washington. President Biden is back in the White House after a Western swing, during which he tried to ensure a Democratic midterm turnout. CBS's Skylar Henry.
He's got a real set of accomplishments, and he needs people to know that.
George Washington University professor Todd Belt says the president's victory lap is equal parts campaign strategy and fashion political stumping.
Joe Biden isn't really the big rally kind of guy anymore. He works better with some smaller crowds.
In contrast, Presidents Trump and Obama wrapped 1,000 miles crisscrossing the country, making their final cases to voters ahead of the midterms. And in states where races at the top of the ticket are tightly contested, some say a Biden presence based on his approval rating could make or break the outcome.
And now to Georgia, home to one of the most competitive Senate races in the nation. Here's CBS's Nicole Kelly.
Herschel Walker was riding high after the Georgia Senate debate.
So I brought something and Senator left so fast last night that I didn't get a chance. But I got a Team Biden t-shirt.
The GOP challenger continued to tie Democratic incumbent Senator Raphael Warnock to President Biden after clashing Friday night over everything from the economy to abortion rights.
I'll be a senator that protects life.
He says no exceptions, even in the case of rape, incest, or the life of the mother. I think that's extreme.
The home buying market has cooled off dramatically recently, says CBS's Danya Bacchus.
The fastest cooling markets are Seattle, Las Vegas, San Jose, San Diego, Sacramento, and Denver. Holding strong are Chicago, Albany, and Milwaukee.
A year ago, people were buying homes sight unseen, multiple offers. It's a good time to put an offer on a house at a lower number.
LA Realtor Craig Strong says buyers and sellers need to adapt to the changing market, especially during fall's traditional home sales slowdown.
It's just a changing market. 2008, that was a crash landing. I feel it's going to be a softer landing. It's going to be over a period of time as people get adjusted to the new rates and the new purchase price.
There's been an arrest in the Stockton, California serial killer case. Police Chief Stanley McFadden.
Officers made contact with him. He was wearing dark clothing and had a mask around his neck. He was also armed with a firearm when he was taken into custody. We are sure we stopped another killing.
The suspect is named as 43-year-old Wesley Brownlee. He is from Stockton, California. This is CBS News.
Liberty Mutual customizes your car and home insurance so you only pay for what you need. Visit libertymutual.com to learn more.
At CDW, we get to be productive. It helps to avoid interruptions. I hate those. Oh, please continue. Well, with an Acer Chromebook Enterprise